Right, so it's day 2 on the Aero install. I got the front light covers done yesterday. I got the tow hook done yesterday. Those both took a little bit longer than I had expected them to take, so ran out of time. I'm back at it on day 2, and I will finish up the rest today because I don't have a lot to do, and some of it's done already. So really the only new install I have to do today are the AJ Hartman Canards, which I went ahead and got those set up there, and then I still need to do the setup on that side, but we'll see how this side goes before I move on. The splitter again is already done. It's just sitting over there, and the big Wang is sitting on the wall over there, and we just have to install those things, but that shouldn't take no time because it's already been done. Throw them on the car. Oh, I need to Loctite the tow hook, so we'll get that done before I button everything up. So, all right, let's get at it.
Powered by Ocho.
All right, so I'm happy where everything is. I need to get my marker. I'm happy where everything is. Now, the one thing that I'm having a problem with, and I'm going to drill my holes, I'm going to mark my holes anyways, is I have these rivets and then I have this metal plate, which is obviously off of the plastic. So what I might end up doing is putting some neoprene strips on the back side of this just to fill in the gap if I need to. We'll see how it sucks itself to the bumper. And then same with the bottom, I have a little bit bigger of a rivets on these. But because I'm going to be screwing through, if I can get rid of a rivet because the screws go in there, then that's what I'm going to do. You'll need a 7/32 drill bit. It's just drilling through plastic and, well, I guess a little bit of metal here. It shouldn't take much to get through. So just a simple 7/32 drill bit is what it calls for. And then there'll be some Phillips screws. So let me mark my holes. Alright, so you can see my dots here. 1, 2, 3, and underneath here. 4. Alright. The other thing, when you do get these are C5 left hand up, and they have the ones labeled down, and then there's a right hand up and a right hand down. Alright, so you can use a ratcheting screwdriver, which I just so happen to have one. I've been carrying this thing around for years and never found a use for it until today. So, if you have one, you can use it. But basically, what you're going to do, and you're going to have to go from under the car. Since I don't have a headlight, this is going to make it a lot easier for me. But basically, they're going to stick one of these little wings in the backside, and then you're just going to screw your screw in. Alright, so that turned out good. We'll just have to see how this all pans out when I get this done. I might have to clip it a little bit here or there just to make sure this part sits good. I can put a triangle here that'll relieve this from flowing kind of strange, and I usually tape this to cover the splitter anyways, so, but yeah, turned out pretty well. Pretty good. Alright, so that's the driver's side. Turned out pretty good. Let's move on to the passenger side. Alright, so I've got it set up already. I just went back and forth to the other side and just measured where I had the other side so that it's as as identical as I could get it. It's going to work for me this way. You know, if I don't like it, I can take one off. I can take them both off. It doesn't matter. But anyways, I'm going to get to marking some spots up. I'll put you back in the time lapse, and then we'll get to you when I'm done. Alright, so that's both sides done. There you go, both sides are done. It's kind of hard to see with the black on white and anything else, but there you go. They're both sides of it done. I'm gonna get the tow hook bolted down with some Loctite, and then I'll put the splitter on. So I'll come back with the splitter. Right, so got everything done. I've got my parts on. I got that strap down. I got the canards on. I'm going to put the splitter up. The splitter's held on with 8 of these bolts. Let me grab the splitter and trans jack. So that's pretty much what I do. I just put it on this trans jack, and then from here I can lift it up. We need to put these, I probably need to redesign this because I don't think these plates are going to be good. Oh, no, actually they are. They'll be just fine. But what stinks is that I didn't think about it, but I need to needed to do this on the ground, but I couldn't because now I have no way of drilling this. So, all right, well, I'm going to mark my holes and do it again. All right, I forgot to do that, so I'm gonna throw them on real quick. We'll be okay. Pretty simple to put on. This part just make sure goes to the back of the car. I'm just going to bring it to the back of the splitter and screw it down. That one done. Okay, so we got the front of the car done. We got the canards done. I got the end plates on, also known as spill boards. So there's that with the splitter on, the tow hooks on, and now we are going to, oh, we got the hood too. Finish that up. And now I'm going to move to the back of the car. I already have the 9 Lives Racing big Wang kit, and so that's going to be on there. We just need to do the install the wing again. So that's the 2 mounts for the big Wang kit. I already did that before. I don't have any pictures or video of that happening, but basically he's got some good instruction. He's got a video on a website and YouTube how to get these lined up and cut it out and all that good stuff. But you can watch his video on getting that done. It's pretty easy and intuitive. But let me go grab it and we'll get started. All right, so this gets held on by 4 13mm bolts. And this is the 74-inch for a wide body. And this goes on the inside here. There we go. All right, so that's the big wing. I'm going to grab the end plates and we'll put those on and we will be done. All right, so these are the big end plates. I'll get an Allen wrench and tighten these down. All right, so there you go. There's the big wing. A little dusty, but it's on. And that should be good. So let me grab the hood. I'll lower the car. I'm not going to take it off the lift because I needed to be on the lift for a little bit, but that gives you an idea of what's going on with the car at least. And we'll go from here. All right, so let's talk a little bit about the Aero on the car. It's completely done. The car only has the alignment left, which I'll catch up on in another video series. That's going to take a little bit of time, so I might break that up into 2 or 3 parts. But anyways, Aero, let's talk about it for a second. All right, so we've got a 9 Lives Racing splitter. We have 9 Life Racing end plates. We have the 9 Lives Racing big wing kit for the rear. That's a 74-inch for a wide body Corvette with the big end plates. We have the AJ Hartman waterfall hood and AJ Hartman Canards. And then these are the track spec light delete plates that they just released them a couple months ago, but those are pretty slick. I'm glad I got those now. They look really nice on the car. But anyways, we've got a lot of carbon fiber on the car now. Fenders, the wing, the hood, all that jazz. The canards are carbon fiber. But anyways, that's the car as it sits now with all of the Aero on it. Yeah, I think it turned out awesome. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share, comment, all that good stuff. If you like what you see, let me know. It's how I know what to take a video of and to show you guys. If it's more how-to or you will just want to watch me do it, then just let me know that as well. Anyways, until next time, I hope you guys have a good one.
Powered by Ocho.